All right, guys, here we are. We are in Home Depot. Yeah, this is Home Depot. So, here's all the soils
Foils.
and plants. Yeah. And you definitely always want to come back here and check out the clearance rack. So, let's see what they have over here.
The reason why I'm talking like
So one of the most important things I really would like for you to do when you are growing your, when you're putting your garden together and getting it all done, is remember to enjoy the journey. Listen, gardening is work. There's no doubt about that. Gardening is work. But gardening is beautiful. So don't take it so serious. It's not like, you have to always be thinking of something else or doing this or doing. Listen, guys, it is a journey. Take your journey with your plants and enjoy every minute of it. It is not something you take seriously and, God, no. But anyway, here's a lot of the topsoils. Yeah, the really cheap kind. I think these here's like maybe $1.88.
it's a lot of soil.
And a lot of these soils are definitely going on sale right now. This is a great time to purchase garden goodies. Peat moss? Yeah,
That's a lot of people.
that's a lot of peat moss. Yes. So they have a lot of mulch, and all of the mulch here at Home Depot is for $10. Now over the weekend there were five for $10. Yeah, and this is just some pine straw. So here we have some bamboo poles. They have 6 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet, even 2 feet. They're really cool. And just all kinds of good garden goodies here. These are for your tomatoes. And definitely some decorations for your plants. I didn't want to stop without showing you this pot. Now, these pots here, these are your big pots where you could plant more than one plant in it, or yes, you could plant a tree in one of these pots and put it on your balcony. Now, these are some good looking pots. You think so, Jada?
Yeah.
These pots are $14.98, but that is not bad at all. That is a great price. And hey, who that, y'all? Yeah, but they are great looking pots, and yeah, they $14.98. I think I need one of them. What you think?
I think.
I like one of those. This one, that is a nice looking color.
But you just said earlier that you had almost every single pot at Dollar Tree.
I know, but I like that.
I don't think I need any
All
more
right,
pots.
guys. Okay, here we are with more space savers. Will you look at this one here, the little welcome one? That is so cute. Yeah, that is a cute. They have a little wagon up there. That
Don't
is
you have
just
this one?
cute. I do. Yeah, here's another hanging basket. And theirs are $7.98. They have all kinds, just you name it.
I wish we could go.
Oh, look at that. Now, this kind here, you can nail it against your house. Yeah, on your balcony, but put it against the house, and Very nice. And there's another style right there. Yeah. So Jada, is gardening fun?
Very fun.
Yeah, you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you get all serious about it?
No. I just get serious about how much happy I get because I get so happy.
Cool. Yeah. All right, guys, y'all heard that? Gardening is fun. Yeah. Enjoy the journey. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here is more hanging baskets. And now we're going to go in and take a look at some seeds. Now, herbs, you have herbs. We have some perennial herbs as well as annual herbs. So let's go look at some of those perennial herbs. All right, Jada? Lettuce is great to grow on your balcony. Garlic chives. Awesome. What is that? Yeah, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. It'd be great to grow on your balcony.
Fun fact.
Now, basil is an annual. Now, if you do have basil on your balcony, when the weather get cool, bring her in, right?
Yeah.
Because basil can't handle that cool weather. So this is just an idea of some herbs that you can grow. So there's rosemary, chives. What is this one
I'm
here?
pointing to the wrong ones.
That's dill, sage, catnip,
basil,
more basil,
and more
purple basil, and
parsley.
yeah, here we go, Miss Deborah. Wait a minute here. Extra triple curled parsley. Yeah. So this is great to grow on your balcony. Yeah.
Very great.
Very great.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, Jada says.
Damn.
All right, guys. So here are your seed starters. So this is just in case you would like to start your balcony garden with seeds. So here is some great seed starting mix right here, and that is $4.97. And these are some seed starting trays.
Now these, they dissolve and then they turn into great soil.
Cool, that is so true, Jada. And these are just a little, you could just plant this also in the soil. And here are your seed trays up there. And here's more of them here. So, oh, it's self-watering. It have a little, yeah. Oh, it have the little seed starting system in there. Yeah. And there is the one like Jada has, but this one is just a little bit bigger.
And then there are these, which are a lot.
Yeah.
So you could probably plant about 20 plants.
Yeah. So this is for if you want to start with seeds. Everything you need is right in this area to start your garden using seeds. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So here are all of the beautiful plants over here at Home Depot. Wow, look at that thing. It is huge.
That looks like some elephant ears.
It's called Bright Light. Yeah.
These feel just paper. Like,
It's
but
huge.
I know, but it feels, I don't know.
So let's go over here and look at these pots. Will you look at all of these beautiful pots? Huh? Yes. So this is $81. Jada looking at me. I think it's got to be a different price somewhere. Something going on.
89.
Yeah. All right, but this is the coins. This is the coins. Yeah, but they are gorgeous. Aren't they gorgeous, Jada?
Yeah.
They are. And here is that terracotta. All of this, see this color, Jada? This
Mhm.
orange, that is terracotta. That's the, yeah, it's the
It looks
material.
like a very good
It's
paint
like
tone.
this material kind of let your plants breathe and water get through, but they are so heavy.
Yeah.
Feel it. Just try to pick it up. Don't. Yeah,
I can't.
that's why I'm not a fan of terracotta. All right, let's see here. And now this is plastic, and this is great for your balcony. And that is only $8. This one is $8, and this one is 10. Awesome.